I don't do my denture content that much. But I was trying to find it. I had a lady bickering with me how hard cushion grip was to take off. I just got out of the shower, and that is my trick. I peel it off while I'm in the shower. You see this? One peel. One peel. Okay? I've got it in hot water right now. I'm getting ready to reapply. But cushion grip, it's the same thing as like dentach, guys. It is a thermoplastic adhesive. So the best way, if you wear either of them, take it off in the shower. I'm telling you, take it off in the shower. I've not been wearing my permanent. I go through phases with that set of teeth now. You hear me? But that's life. That's okay. I didn't get it as warm enough as I need to. Peel it off. You form it exactly how you want. There's some more. With me, guys, maybe my mouth. I know my mouth is small because I compare my denture to my man's and his. You better know. I don't know. I need it around here. Around my gums. That's where it is the most loose. For me. All our mouths are different, you guys. We're all going to have a different experience. I just show you products that work for me. And that's what I'm doing right there. I might need more. Might not. And it is Gucci. It does give a slight tingling, burning sensation. It doesn't last long at all, you guys. It doesn't last long. Let it cure. Takes up to 24 hours. Overnight, you're Gucci. And some people suggest not smoking, drinking, doing anything, at least for the first hour. Cushion grip.